Hi parents, I am going to show you the easiest way to upload your classroom work. So if you have a Google or an iPhone, you want to make sure that you download the Google Drive app. So when you download that app, you can actually connect it with the Google email that you use to sign up for Google Classroom. So once you're inside the app, you want to hit the little plus sign at the bottom, and you're going to use your camera. So you're going to do this in the app. Okay, once your camera is ready to go, then you're literally going to take a picture of your classroom work. You're going to use the photo and it's going to upload. And you can see that it's processing. Keep in mind that you do have to take a separate picture of the front and the back. So we're going to do this one more time. We're going to use the camera. We're going to take a picture with our phone. Now, these images are now uploaded to your Google Drive. So in the next step, you'll see that we are now going to go to a computer to upload everything. Okay, parents, here we are on the main Google Classroom page for the first grade. So what you want to do is to turn in an assignment, you want to click on the classwork tab at the top. Here you will see all of the assignments that are due. Daily seat work has been uploaded, and we'll have a new one for each day that we have work that's due. So you're going to click on view assignment. Over on the right, over here, you'll see where you turn in your actual work. If you have uploaded it through your Google Drive, then you'll hit Add Create, Google Drive, and you get the opportunity to look into your Google Drive and choose your assignments. You can choose multiple assignments at the time, and then you're going to hit Add. Once you have added every assignment that was due for seat work, then you'll click the Turn In button. That's it. Okay, parents, here is another way to upload an assignment. On your phone, if you have the Google Classroom app, then you will see all of the classroom work that's added. So we're going to click on Daily Seat Work for today. And then we are going to add our work. So if you see, I clicked on your work at the bottom, we're going to add an attachment. And we are going to use the camera. So once again, just like the previous video, you're going to take a picture of your work. Once you have added all of your assignments, then you'll hit Turn In button. That's it.